Okay, great. Okay, so everyone open to page 95 and let's check our own homework. So, can you please read all of the words for me at the top, Cindy?
Sketch, view, polite, large, show, pleasant,
Pleasant.
pleasant,
Good.
see, illustrate, enormous, exhibit.
Exhibit. Good girl. Well done, Cindy. Okay, guys, so then we had to read these words and write two synonyms from the above that have almost the same meaning as the word. Number one is display. What words did you put with display? Ocean, can you tell me, please?
Thing, exhibit, and show.
Good job, well done. Show and exhibit are the two words we put here. What do these words all mean? Good, it means a show that someone puts on to display something. So for example, artists usually have displays or shows or exhibits. So an artist will usually make lots and lots of paintings or drawings, and then they will show them to people in hope that people will buy them. So we can say, I'm going to an art display, I'm going to an art show, or I'm going to an art exhibit. And they all mean that you're going somewhere to see or view someone's work. Number two, can you please read out all three words that should be going together? Ming Huang.
Large and enormous.
Large and enormous. Good job. Well done, Ming Huang. Okay, who can help me with this one? What do huge, large, and enormous mean? Ocean, what do you think?
Great.
Very good. Well done. They all mean that something is bigger than usual. Okay, number three, nice. Nice. Tweety, can you tell me what words you put down for nice?
Nice, pleasant, polite.
Good girl. Well done, Tweety. So all mean nice or kind. They all mean nice or kind. Number four, observe. Mia, what words did you get to go with observe?
See and view.
Good girl, well done. Observe, we have view and see. Well done. So the words observe, view, and see all mean that you use your eyes to go and look at something. Okay, last one is draw. What did you get for that one? Can you tell me, please? Quang Hai, what do you think?
I think it is sketch.
Good job. Well done, Quang Hai. We've got draw, sketch, and illustrate. So those words mean a similar thing. It's usually when a person or an artist is putting pen or pencil to paper and creating a picture. Okay, the next part was this. So I went over this to you guys yesterday. So we had to choose one set of synonyms. So you had to choose three words of your choice. I decided to choose huge, large, and enormous. And you had to write a sentence or two for each word to show the difference in the shades of meaning. So you could have written something along the lines of an elephant is huge, the Eiffel Tower is large, and the planet Mars is enormous. So I wanted you to show the difference in the shades of meaning with that. So good job on your sentences, guys. I don't think everyone created a sentence that showed the different shades of meaning. So be careful with that. We had to show how each word is different. So shades of meaning mean words that have the same meaning but different levels of intensity. So for example, an elephant is a big animal. We could say it's huge. We could say the Eiffel Tower is large. It's a really big tower. And we can say that Mars is enormous. Enormous is the highest level of intensity out of these three words to say it is the biggest. So we had to make sure that we're showing the difference in meanings there. Okay, let's start our lesson. So today is grammar, and we are learning about verb tenses. We're learning about past, the present, and the future simple tense. Have a look at this little diagram. So here it says in the past, we either add ed to a verb to show it's in the past tense. We call this the regular past tense. Or sometimes some verbs are irregular, and that means they change completely when turning them into the past tense. With the present tense, we have S endings, ES endings, no ending, and sometimes we also have irregular present tense verbs too. So if our present tense has one singular subject, we need to add S or ES depending on the spelling. If the subject is plural or the subject is I or you, we do not need an ending on the end of the verb. In the future tense, this one's nice and easy. All we have to do when we want to talk about the future is add the word will before our verb. Now let's have a look and practice some of these. Okay, can you please read this for me? So guys, verbs in the present tense either have an S ending or an ES depending on the spelling, or they do not have an S ending with a plural subject. Most verbs in the past tense have an ED ending to show it happened in the past, but we'll move on to the irregular verbs in just a moment. So here we have an illustrator creates pictures. Here we have illustrators create pictures. Who can explain to me why we have an S at the end of the word create here, but we don't have an S at the end of create in the second sentence? Okay, Kiwi, can you tell me please?
At the first sentence, it has an S on create because the illustrator is singular.
Good girl. And what about down here? Illustrators create pictures. Why is there no S here, Kiwi?
Because illustrators is plural.
Good job. Well done, Kiwi. An illustrator is talking about one singular subject. So that means we need to make our verb agree. If we have a singular subject, we need a singular verb with an S on the end. Illustrators is talking about more than one. So we need to make sure our subject and our verb agree. A plural subject needs a plural verb with no S on the end. Good job. Okay, let's practice a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to call your name. If I call your name, you unmute yourself and then you read the sentence out for me. Number 1, Mickey.
Teddy and Wendy painted pictures for their book.
Lovely. Is this past or present, Steve?
This is the past.
Good job. It is the past tense. Well done. Number 2, Hacker, read it out loud for me.
They use bright colors.
Good job. Okay, tell me, is that past or present, Zaling?
Present.
Good job. Well done. It is in the present tense. Number 3, Emma.
The pictures seem like photos.
Lovely. And is that past or present, Cindy?
In past.
Good girl. Well done. Very nice. Okay, Sal, number 4, read it for me, please.
Their mother helped them.
Good job. And is that past or present, Mia?
It's past.
Good job. It is in the past tense. Kwang Ming, can you read the next sentence for me, please? Number 5.
Two friends bring ideas.
Lovely. And Kui Kang, is that past or present?
Present.
Good job. It is present. Well done. Noob, can you read number 6 for me, please?
Around the town.
Good. Teddy walks around the town. Mingha, past or present?
Present.
Good girl. Well done. It is present. Okay. Can you read the next one for me, please? Tui Chi, number 7.
He looks for things to draw.
Lovely. And can you tell me, is that past or present, please? Ming Huang.
It is present.
Very good. Well done. Lovely. Okay, number 8. Ocean.
2G appear perfect on his art.
Very good. 2 trees appear perfect for his art. And Quang Hai, is that past or present?
Present.
Good job. Well done. Okay, next. Can you read that for me, please? I would like Quang Hai.
One branch reaches over our door.
Good job. And Teddy, is that past or present, please?
Present.
Good girl, that's the present tense. Number 10, read it for me, please. Jenny.
Wendy sketched both trees.
Good. Suri, can you tell me the answer? Is that present or past tense, Suri?
Past.
Past. Good girl. So that's past tense. Good job, guys. Really, really well done. Okay, now let's move on to this. Past tense irregular. Not all past tense verbs end in ed. Some are irregular and change completely. For example, yesterday I drank a strong cup of coffee. Have a look at the word drink and drank here. My present tense verb is drink. Now, if I want to put that in the past tense, I do not add ed. Drinked is not a real word. This is why we call it irregular. It doesn't follow the same rule. So with irregular verbs, we have to be really careful. We have to make sure that we learn all of the irregular verbs so that when we come across them, we can easily use them in the past tense. Let's have a think here. Can you think of any other irregular past tense verbs? Please go to the chat box now and type them in. Sorry, read and read. Well done, Ming Huang. Read and read look exactly the same, so that's one of the really tough ones. You have to look around that word to find out what tense it's in. Swim, swam. Put and put. Good job, Ming Huang. Run and ran. Very good. Sleep and slept. Really good. Cut and cut. Absolutely. Doesn't change. Eat and ate. Very good. Okay. Oh, so some of you got some in there. Break and broke. Have and had. Fly and flew. Well done. Okay, guys, we're going to play a little game now. So this game requires you guys annotating or drawing on my screen. So I'm going to pick one boy and one girl to play at a time. Basically, what we have here are some irregular verbs. See, swim, drink, sit, write, eat, buy, catch, and fly. I'm going to say an irregular past tense verb. I want you to circle what you think the present tense form of the verb is. Okay? For example, if there was a word that said break here, and I said, what is the present tense of the word broke? I would want you guys to circle the correct box, okay? Okay, firstly, I choose Sao and Zaling. What is the present tense of the word sat? Oh, very good. Well done, Zaling. Zaling was fastest there. Good job. The present tense of the word sat is indeed sit. Good job, guys. Okay, next up, I would like Kwang Ming and I would like Emma. What is the present tense of the word bought? Oh, very good. You both got it correct, but Kwang Ming was just a little bit faster there. So indeed, the past tense of the word buy is bought, B-O-U-G-H-T. So that's a point for the boys team. So girls and boys are even right now. Okie dokie. Okay, next, let's see who hasn't played yet. I would like Teddy and I would like Hacker. Please circle the present tense of the word wrote. Very good. You both got it right, but Teddy was just a little bit faster than the boys there. Good job, Teddy. That's another point for the girls team. Okay, next, I would like Ocean, Cindy. Ocean and Cindy, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, great. Here we go. Please circle the present tense of the word flew. Very good. Well done. You both got it right, but Ocean was a little bit faster than you there. So I'm going to give that point to him. Well done, guys. Okay, so boys have 2 points, girls have 2 points. Okay, let's play another game. Okay, I would like Le Kang and I would like Ming Huang. Please circle the present tense of the word caught. Very good. Well done. So Ming Huang was just a little bit faster there, so I'm going to give that one to the boys. You are absolutely right. Catch is the present tense of the word caught. Okay, let's have one more game. This is the last game we'll play. I would like Quang Hai and I would like Kiwi. Please circle the present tense of the word saw. Oh, very good. Well done. You both got it right, but Quang Hai was just a little bit faster. Well done. Okay, that means boys, you have come out with 4 points. Girls, we have 2 points today. So boys, you are my winners. Very good job. Okay, all right. So have a look. The irregular past tense of all of these words are see, saw, swim, swam, drink, drank, sit, sat, write, wrote, eat, ate, buy, bought, catch, caught, fly, flew. All right, now let's move on to future tense as well. So guys, we've just learned about present and past tense. Now what I'd like to focus on is the future tense. With a future tense verb, all you have to do is keep the verb the same. For example, here my verb is mark, and all we have to do is add the helping verb will in front of it. Paintbrushes will mark a wide line. I will go to the cinema tomorrow. I will return to school after summer. I will eat birthday cake tonight. So all we have to do is add that little helping word will and put it in front of our word, our verb. Okay, let's have a look at some more practicing and then we've got a game. Okay, number 1. Harriet discovered a box of art supplies. Do we think that is past, present, or future? Everybody. Good job. Well done. Okay, number 2. She lifts it onto the table. Emma, past, present, or future?
Present.
Good girl. Well done. It is in the present tense. Number 3. We will paint with its colors.
This tense is future
How do you know that, Guang Ming?
because there is will in front of our
Verb.
verb.
Very good. Well done. We have the word will here, which is our helping word that lets me know this action has not happened yet. This word will lets me know if this is something that is going to happen. Number 4, Greg placed brushes before us. Tweety, what tense is that?
Is the past tense.
Good girl. How do you know?
Because after the word place, it is end with ed.
Good girl. Well done. Number 5, Benita and Joe will clean the paint jars. Hacker, what tense is that, please?
Future.
Very good. How did you know that, Hacker?
Because have a will at the first.
Very good. It has will in front of the verb. Number 6, Rolando will open the paper rolls. Hannah.
That is the future tense. Because there is the word will.
Good job. Number 7, the girls trimmed paper edges. Ming Huang, can you help me? Good. How did you know that, Ming Huang?
Because the word teams are
Good job. Well done. Number 8, some kids splash paint all over. Let's go for Kui Kang.
It was the present.
Good job. It is in the present tense. Well done, Kui Kang. Okay, number 9, others placed the colors carefully. Mickey, past, present, or future? Good girl. How do you know?
Word place have ed.
Good girl. Well done. Good job, Mickey. Last one. Our teacher watches everyone. Everybody. What tense is this, please?
Present.
Present.
Very good. It is the present tense. Well done, guys. Okay, guys, so what I'm going to do now is we're going to have a quick review and then I'm going to leave you to complete a quizzes. Have a look. So, present tense verbs have an S or ES ending if the subject names one. We just leave them as they are if the subject is plural. Past tense verbs usually have ED endings, but watch out for those irregular verbs. Future tense verbs use the helping word will before the verb. So let's just remember that these are the rules that we follow. We add S or ES if the subject names one. We leave the verb as is if the subject names a plural noun. In the past tense, we just add ed, but we have to be careful for tricky words. And with future tense verbs, just add the word will before your verb. Okay, guys, so what we're going to do now is we're going to head over to quizzes, and I'm going to leave you to complete this quiz. So, sending to everybody, here is the link. You can click on this for ease, and I'm going to show you the code. Okie dokie. Have a look, guys. So you can either click joinmyquiz.com. Great. So you can click the link in the chat box, or you can go to joinmyquiz.com and enter this code 413700. Okay, guys, actually, since I'm going to leave you, I'm going to quickly tell you what pages your homework are, and then I'll go back to this. So let me stop sharing my screen. So guys, your homework is pages 86 and 87 in your reader's notebook. So please make a note of that. Okay, guys, so that's the end of our lesson, but I'm going to leave you to play this quiz. Leave you here with this game. There are 12 questions, and tomorrow morning I will show you who is top in my leaderboard. Okay, guys, have a great day. Good luck with your quiz. I'll see you tomorrow.